look at what we have here. Wow, 2006 Cadillac XLR-V, retractable hardtop. Less than 9,000 miles on this car. 8988 is what the odometer reads right now. Of course, this is the power retractable hardtop. 4.4 liter, supercharged, a V8 underneath the hood, paired up with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a California car. Little time in Arizona, the majority of the time in California. We're coming to us, clean Carfax, no accidents, adult owned and driven, and it shows on this one. Take a look at this front fascia, front grille. These in the low miles, good shape, getting harder and harder to find. And a beautiful example in light platinum with the ebony and suede leather interior. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You're going to see underside pictures of this car, interior, engine bay, trunk, all of it on that website I just told you about. It's got a 19-inch Cadillac chrome wheel it's now riding on. As you can see, drilled rotors up front. This car got 443 horsepower, 414 pound-feet of torque. And look at this interior. What you'd expect from a well taken care of example of a low mile XLR-V. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Once again, clean Carfax, California car, confirmed miles, no accidents, and less than 9,000 miles on the odometer. We're going to check out that engine bay. We'll look at the interior a little closer here. I'll run that top up, let you see how it functions. I've had it up and down each way once. This one will not disappoint, folks. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Give me a second, I'll stop that beep. There we go. All right. Of course, power mirrors, power locks, power windows. As you can see, Bose stereo system, wood inlays, center console, door handles. Right here, power seats, lumbar, memory seating, leather, suede, in nice shape. If you see where there's kind of two different shades, it's due to the nap of the suede itself. It'll be dark rolling one way, lighter the other way. So you might get kind of a darker, lighter look in the video or the pictures. That's due to the way the nap lays in the suede. Heads-up display. All your steering wheel controls. Power top switch and traction control in the center console. You're going to have dual climate control, dual electronic climate control in this one. Heated seats, navigation radio, all the amenities you're going to find in the XLR-Vs. I believe in 2006 these were $100,000 depending on how they were equipped. All right, let's go ahead and fire this one up. Driver 1, there's your exact miles, 8,988 miles. As you can see, no warning indicators, no check engine lights, no service, anything like that. Top of the dash, good shape. You can also see the heads-up display working. AC is blowing cold. Had the stereo system working also. Find a station that's local to us here.
34545.
So everything working on this one. All right. I'm gonna slip around to the back. Be able to hear this run. I've not noticed any modifications on it besides that 19-inch wheel. Would have not been available in 06. Sounds good. Nothing over the top. I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood, at least let you check out the engine bay, and then we'll see how that top functions.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, for starters, take a look underneath that hood, the hood liner. You can see this thing has not been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Extremely clean engine bay. And there it is, again, 4.4 liter supercharged V8, 443 horse, 414 pound-feet of torque, and there's not a lot of car here to get moving. So power to weight ratio, these will get up and go, no doubt about that. Handle nice, still a luxurious sports car. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. All right, I'm gonna pause this one more time, close up that hood, grab somebody to help me out a second, and let's see how that top functions. All right, here we go. Got somebody to help me out. We'll go ahead and push that top up. Takes just a second for them to roll. Let you see how it functions. Of course, there is still storage in the trunk area when that top is in there. Of course, it's not a ton left, but there is storage back there. Now, with the top up, there's a lot of storage left in that trunk, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. And it's relatively quick how fast it'll do it too. So there is all the way up. I tell you what, let's run it through a cycle, go all the way back down, and let you see it go the other direction too here. Give you a little different angle so everything works. And it'll also read out on the driver's information center on the dash when it's fully complete, and kind of basically talks you right through it. And there it is. Top functioning. Beautiful 2006 Cadillac XLR-V. No accidents, confirmed miles, low miles, less than 9,000. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.